This video is to be used for educational purposes only and is not intended to replace individual research or licensed investment advice. Unique experiences and past performances do not guarantee future results. Trading stocks, options, and spot currencies involves substantial risk. There's always the potential for loss. Your trading results may vary. No representations are being made that any software or training will guarantee profits or not result in losses from trading.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is the market rep for February 13th, 2007. In the news today, the U.S. trade deficit widened to a record for a fifth straight year in 2006 as American purchases of Chinese goods and imported oil overwhelmed an increase in exports. The gap between imports and exports expanded 6.5% to $763.6 billion last year, this coming from the Commerce Department. The shortfall increased to $61.2 billion in December from a month earlier, more than economists' forecasts. In earnings news, UBS AG, the world's biggest money manager, reported its second straight profit decline in the fourth quarter as investment banking earnings stagnated. Net income fell 47% to 2.73 billion or 1.66 francs a share from 6.49 billion francs or 3.14 francs a share a year earlier, when the sales of the fund management units drove profit to a record. Profit from continuing operations rose 19%. Coca-Cola Enterprises beat on earnings for the most recent period but issued full-year 2007 guidance below consensus. It also announced a strategic restructuring program with the aim of delivering sustainable growth and improving shareholders' return. CCE reported fourth quarter earnings of 20 cents a share, excluding non-recurring items, 4 cents better than consensus. Revenues rose 6.5% year over year to 4.79 billion versus consensus of 4.65 billion. Economic releases for Wednesday will have retail sales and the Humphrey Hawkins testimony, and for upcoming earnings release we'll have Applebee's, Baidu, Daimler Chrysler, Forest Research, Garmin, Guess, Nutrisystem, Progress Energy, Real Networks, Coca-Cola, Tootsie Rolls, and Transocean. Stocks to watch: CVS Corp, the second biggest drugstore chain, raised its offer for CareMax Inc. to $25.7 billion to stave off a hostile bid of the benefits manager from Express Scripts. CVS sweetened its proposal for the second time, raising it by $4 a share to $60.26 by tripling the cash dividend it will pay to Nashville, Tennessee-based CareMax. Express Scripts, the third biggest manager of prescription drug benefits, offers 61.09 cents a share for CareMax, the second biggest benefits manager. RS May Mortgage Corp, a U.S. home lender to people with bad credit, filed for bankruptcy protection and said Switzerland's Credit Suisse Group agreed to buy most of its assets for $19.1 million. Quoting, "The subprime mortgage market has recently been crippled," says RS May in its Chapter 11 filing. The company didn't have enough reserves to cope with the enormous surge in loan defaults. It's been Ivan Caesar for Market Wrap, February 13th, 2007.